Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure network and power are ready. First, verify your laptop and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential so devices can discover each other. Once done, plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and connect its USB power. Next, open Chrome and update if needed, then click the three-dot menu and choose Cast. You're initiating discovery now, so keep the TV input set to the Chromecast HDMI while Chrome searches. You'll now pick how to send content. Click Cast and select the device, then expand sources to choose Cast Tab, Cast Desktop, or Cast File. Choose Cast Tab for browser video with lowest latency, desktop to mirror everything, or file to play a video directly. Make sure to set casting quality in the device controls, optimize for video if you want smoother playback, or prioritize audio for music. Also, enable tab audio sharing when casting a tab so sound streams correctly. Complete the session by clicking the cast icon and choosing Stop, or close the tab or Chrome window you're casting. That ends transmission cleanly. If playback stutters or disconnects, first move the laptop closer to the router, then reboot the router and Chromecast. Make sure other heavy traffic on the network is paused. If problems persist, update Chromecast firmware or perform a factory reset as a last resort. These steps restore defaults and often resolve stubborn connectivity errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.